Hey there, in today's video we are going to talk about a business cooperative WordPress theme with the help of which you can make a simple elegant website with like few simple steps. Theme name is Dynamix. So let me start how you can get this theme. You can get it from official website and let me show you what you exactly get in this theme, right? This theme has already like 11,000 or I should say 12,000 sales, which is really good. And the best part about this theme is this theme comes with Elementor, right? This theme supports Elementor. So Elementor is one of the best page builder out there with the help of which you can design anything, literally anything with your hands. So let me show you which preview or demo we are going to import it on our website, right? They provided on their official website, so I guess it's restricted. So let's get started. I will just import it and show you how it is. So rather than buying from the official website, I will just use GPL version of this theme from our website. You can get it for like approximately $5. Let me show you. Yeah, there it is. It's approximately for $5. Just download it, click on download now, and download process will start like within 1 second. I will just cancel it because I already have this downloaded on my laptop. So the next step is, once it is downloaded, our next step is to install it on our WordPress website. So for this video purpose, I will use it on my local host. Let me show you where it is. Right now I have a very fresh website installed on our local host. So if you don't know how to log in into your WordPress dashboard, you just have to enter wp admin after your URL, right? So once you are logged into your dashboard, the next step is to install the theme. So if you don't know how to install the theme, just wait, I will teach you, right? On the left hand side you will see multiple menus. Like if you just click on or hover to appearance, you have to click on themes, right? Click on themes, and here we have to add a theme. We click on this add new button. So by default or in general, WordPress provides you multiple free themes, right? So the basic difference between free and paid theme is that free themes come with less functionalities, and paid theme has a lot of functionalities. Let me compare it like this way. A free theme does not loads up very fast. It is not mobile responsive also, and loads up very slow, right? As compared to paid themes are very high conversion rate. Like their CPC and CTR rates are pretty high when it comes to AdSense from the money perspective. Isn't that great? So we will just upload our theme here. Click on upload theme, choose a file, and we have to select our theme. So here it is. This theme name is Dynamix Business Open, and we have to install it, right? Click on install, and this installation process totally depend upon your internet speed. Mine is working on localhost, so it doesn't take that much of time. I will click on activate. So once it is activated, it will show you something like this notification, which says you have to install some kind of recommended plugins, which is necessary. Let me explain you what it is. So whenever you buy a theme or install a theme, a certain theme asks you or recommend you to install some kind of plugins, because a theme consists of varieties of functionalities, and those functionalities work upon plugins. Those functionalities won't work properly if you haven't installed those recommended plugins. So whenever a theme suggests or recommend you to install those plugins, do not or never ignore those notifications. We will just activate all these themes, or first you have to install them, then activate it. I'll just activate because I have already installed it on my local host. So I will click on all, bulk action, activate, apply. That's it. It's super simple and nothing of a hassle work, isn't it? So let's wait for it. It might take couple of minutes, right? So as you can see, installation process has been completed successfully. Let me refresh my backend so that you can get a rough idea what we are looking at. So we are not into this page. Just go to WP admin section, and I would suggest you to skip this WooCommerce setup wizard for right now. You can set it up later on. So let me show you plugins has been installed properly. As you can see, all the plugins has been installed properly, and the next part is we have to install this website demo content onto our website. Let me show you how our website looks right now. It's pretty simple. No header, no menu, no footer, no content, nothing at all. So let me show you how we can customize this site with very easy steps. we have to go on appearance, theme option. So here will be option to install demos. Like you can see here are multiple demos, right? I will select this founder demo. Let me install it. Click on install and select OK. So now you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Just go grab some coffee, eat some snacks, and come back, and you will have a very beautiful, elegant looking website in front of you. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. So as you can see, our demo content has been installed into our website successfully. Let me show you how our website looks right now. So earlier it was used to be a pretty basic website. Let me go to our website and show you how it's look. So here it is. Our demo content has been installed successfully and it's looking really amazing with the all header section, menu section, and this will be your website name. Right now it's like City Hotel, and just another website, it's your subtitle, and you get a hero section, and just between that you get a subcategory section, and here are some features section, and at the end you will get a contact form. Let me show you about us page. There are multiple pages also, and you can edit it according to your need. Here is about us and services pages. You can display your services, whichever services you are providing, and here is a pricing table. You can request the code, and that's pretty much. It's a simple elegant theme which you can install on your WordPress. So that was about Dynamic X, right? So you can just buy it from the official website for $49 so that you can get the regular license key. Or if you're not sure that you should buy this theme, or this theme will be worth it for you, then you can just buy a regular GPL version of this theme. Let me show you. GPL version will cost you approximately $5 or something like that, and that would be like really great. If you are not satisfied, you can just get a money back guarantee within 7 days. Isn't that great, right? And if you're running a WordPress agency website or WordPress agency company, you can just get a membership plan, so you can get a access to like 5,000 plus WordPress themes and plugins, right? So let me show you what are the plans. It's like 2,245 dollars, $249 for 5 years, so that you can download 3,600 items per year. Isn't that great? So, and if you don't have that much of budget and you just want to test it out, this website, you can just get the monthly plan of $29, in which you get access to 300 download items per month. You will be able to download 300 items per month. That's also a great deal, isn't it? So with all good says, I will wrap this video up. So that's all for this video. I hope you really like this video. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching it. I'll catch you in the next one.